Hello guys, good evening. Actually, I've started my unboxing of my camera, but it was not recorded. So I'll just show you the contents of the box. Okay, so I have purchased a camera. It's Canon EOS M100. Okay, so yesterday I was in the mall and I purchased it. So it was delivered just now. So I did the unboxing. Unfortunately, it was not recorded. So I will just give you a very quick video of the contents of the box. Okay, so this is the box of the camera. Okay, and then they have given me a free micro SD card. Okay, it's 128 GB. Then they have given a cleaning kit. Okay, this is the cleaning kit. And then the tripod, this is the tripod, and then a bag, a camera bag. So the camera bag is quite big. It will fit a DSLR camera, okay, because the M100 cam is very small. Okay, so this is nice. I have 4 freebies from Sharaf DG, and it cost me around almost 1,600 dirhams. This camera, if I'm not mistaken, was first released in 2017. So it's not the latest in the market. However, this is good for people who are just starting to do vlogging, starting their photography, their passion in photography. It's easy to use. The reviews of this camera is very good. It was compared with different cameras as well. Okay. So this is the body of the camera. It's very handy. You can see, lightweight. Okay, it will not occupy so much space when you keep it in your bag. Even in a small bag, it will fit. There is a lens, 15 by 45 mm. Okay. And you can change the lens if you wanted, no? So it's not a fixed lens. So that's one good thing about this camera. And then there's a screen that you can flip. Okay, I will just see. Okay, so see, you can make a selfie. Okay, so that's one good thing about this camera. And what else is inside? Of course, the battery, the plug, okay, for charging, and of course the strap. Okay, the charger, battery charger. Okay, so those are the contents inside. So yeah, I will fix it first. Then maybe in the future, in my future vlogs, you can see the quality of the videos and photos, okay, taken using this camera. Okay, so again, this is very handy, lightweight. It's gorgeous as well. So actually, there's another camera that I wanted to buy, that's M50, but compared to M50, this one is more handy, more lightweight, and it's cheaper as well. And the reviews of this is very good so far, based on the research that I did. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me in unboxing my Canon EOS M100. Have a lovely evening. God bless everyone. Good night.